Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more background on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website. In this video, we'll walk you through how to quickly sort your visuals in Power BI. This will allow you to view information you need to see quickly based on your preference. This method works for both Power BI dashboards and the Power BI desktop tool. Let's begin. Starting from our table visual, we can see a few different columns for our data. If we wanted to sort the table by a specific column, all we'd have to do is click on the three dots here to show more options, go to Sort By, and select the column we would like. In this case, we'll select Success Rate. Now, you can see that the success rate column has changed already to reflect highest to lowest. We can see a black arrow here, and clicking on it allows us to sort the column by lowest to highest or vice versa in real time. This is especially helpful when you have a large dataset or when presenting trends or patterns to an audience. To sort other visuals besides tables, follow the same steps, but click on Sort Access instead for charts. You can see your charts change in real time. And that's it. Sorting your visuals in Power BI is a quick and easy way to organize your data or highlight key trends. Whether you're working in Power BI desktop or a dashboard, feel free to see how sorting can improve your workflow. Thank you for watching this video on the BI Quick Tips series. For more information on BI, please visit our Help Files website. Until next time.